it's one big reason for all the supporters come to Berbicara and support the team. Selamat sore. Before speaking about the game tomorrow, we must say that we not forget last match was difficult to our team. I think the three teams get a tough match. I think the linesmen opposite side of the bench did a good job to make offside in the two goals, Bali goal on second half and our goal. Just have, in my opinion, one mistake, that when the defender grabbed the jersey of Everton, he must take the yellow card, is the second, and he must go out. And also, this is an important game to us. In this moment, it's 1-1. But if you're going to analyze the match, there are 3 times on the box that on the set pieces, offensive set pieces of the Makassar, that Everton, the defender that is with Everton, grabbed his jersey, so his penalty. And also, minute 75, I show the video on the last conference after the match. Adilson is full, number 23 main fall on Adilson, and must be penalty. So it's 4 penalties. And this is important because the people can say that the referee make a good job. In my opinion, no make a good job. I know that it's difficult to be referee, but come on, in this moment, 4 penalties, maybe we can score 1 goal, and it's Sato. And tomorrow it's going to be a very difficult game, and I hope that the Wazit that come make a good job, and who's win tomorrow deserve, not with help of the referee or with mistakes of the referee. I think Bali have more time preparation because they are working for these matches since 15 May. We unfortunately, because some reasons, we just start on 1st June. So now between the games we don't have too much time to prepare the game. It's recovery, it's the truth, but also Bali. So tomorrow it's very important that the supporters come and make what they know and try to help these boys to give extra energy for tomorrow, because it's going to be a very tough game. And I think it's very important, the game tomorrow, because I think all these players have the dream to hear the sound from AFC champions, and so this is going to be an emotional game, I believe. So it's one big reason for all the supporters come to Berbicara and support the team.
Ya, tentu pertandingan besok adalah pertandingan sangat penting, dan kita sebagai pemain pasti akan bekerja keras untuk pertandingan besok, karena ini adalah langkah awal untuk menuju ke kualifikasi selanjutnya. Semoga besok kita bisa mendapatkan hasil yang kita inginkan, dan buat teman-teman supporter, jangan lupa datang besok untuk mendukung langsung tim kesayangan, karena dukungan kalian adalah motivasi lebih untuk kita sebagai pemain. Terima kasih.
Pertama mungkin Bali kehilangan 2 pemain pula, Evangelio dan juga Novi Setiawan yang cedera. Bagaimana melihat kekuatan Bali dengan tidak hadirnya kedua pemain ini? Untuk persendiri, apakah di laga besok tidak bisa menunjukkan pemain atau seperti apa?
I don't know. I'm not talking about these 2 players of opponent team. but they want to play with 11 against us for sure, and they have experienced players and also players that already been champion 2 times or 3 times, so they have many experience. But our team is what I said before, our team is a little tired, we need to recover well, but I believe that with the supporters, from the supporting of our supporters tomorrow, that bring extra energy, and I hope that we can make a good game. It's going to be a tough game. We also have players that are not 100%. You speak about these 2 players from Bali. I can give you Yuran and Ananda not play last match. Yuran just played a few minutes, and Ananda not go to the bench. So it's a good example. They want to play with 11, we want to play with 11. And I hope that the referee tomorrow make a good job, because I think the 2 teams deserve it.
Saya Asrul dari Transmedia. Ini pertanyaan untuk Arya. Ini bagaimana perasaan dan persiapannya menjalani FIFA Matchday, dan notabene adalah tim yang akan dihadapi salah satunya adalah juara dunia Argentina.
Saya sebagai pemain yang baru pertama kali dipanggil timnas, tentunya saya sangat bangga dan bersyukur dapat percaya dari tim nasional, dan saya akan bekerja keras lagi di sana untuk mendapatkan tempat, dan semoga performa saya di sana juga bisa meningkat dan mendapatkan pengalaman yang baru. Terima kasih.
Bali United mungkin akan menginginkan 1 pemain barunya, pemain timnas Thailand alias Dola. Jadi apakah ini menambah Bali sendiri? Sementara kan PSM di laga sebelumnya kesulitan memukul gawang Bali United.
Yeah, it's a tall player and also have experience on national team from Thailand, and he's a Sweden also have the physical of the Sweden. So if he go that way, I don't know if he play or not, but if he gonna play, gonna be enough. At least on the set pieces, offensive and defensive, he's gonna help. Let's see what's gonna happen. But it's one more. They cannot play with 12. They're gonna play with 11. So if Elias Dola play, it's one thing. It's if he not play, it's another thing. We must be prepared for the plan A and plan B if you play or not.
Oke, terima kasih coach, terima kasih Reza, terima kasih Roy, thank you.
Terima kasih.